Hi, boys and girls. So today we have slightly different story. This story, or this book, is called a picture book, and it has lots of lovely pictures and only a few words. So what I want you to do with this book is to really look at the pictures because this is a really, really funny little book. It's all about a little hen called Rosie. And Rosie goes for a walk, but she doesn't realize that somebody is following her. Do you see on the front cover who do you think might be following her? Yeah, you're right. This little fox. And Rosie has no idea the fox is following her. So let's find out what happens. First, the title of the book is Rosie's Walk. And the author of the book, do you remember what the author does? Yep, the author is the person who writes the book. So the person who wrote this book is Pat Hutchins. Let's read the book and see what happens. Rosie the hen went for a walk. Across the yard. Oh dear, do we all see what happened to little Mr. Fox? He stood on the rake. Around the pond. And Mr. Fox fell into the pond. Over the haycock. Maybe Mr. Fox might catch her now. No such luck, Mr. Fox. Past the mill. See what happens, Mr. Fox. Through the fence. Mr. Fox. Don't think he's going to be able to catch her. Under the beehives. Poor Mr. Fox got chased away by all those bees and got back just in time for dinner. Now, wasn't that a funny little book, boys and girls? I hope you really enjoyed it. I loved reading that book because I love looking at the pictures. And if you look through it again, you can see all the funny things that Mr. Fox tries to do to catch Rosie. And he can't catch her. But she has no idea that he's following her. A lovely book. Hope you enjoy that, boys and girls.